I've been comparing Softr and WeWeb throughout 2025, and here's my honest and unbiased take on which one might be better for you. Both platforms are no-code tools designed to help users build web apps without traditional development, but they cater to different levels of experience. Softr is more beginner-friendly, perfect for people who want to create client portals, internal tools, or simple websites using Airtable or Google Sheets as the backend. It's clean, fast to set up, and doesn't require any coding knowledge. But you might start feeling limited once your project grows more complex or if you want advanced functionality. On the other hand, WeWeb offers far more flexibility and is better suited for users who have a bit of technical background. You can connect it to any backend via API, build dynamic frontends, and even add your own code. It feels closer to a traditional web dev experience, but without the need to write everything from scratch. However, that power comes with a learning curve, and there's no free plan. So it's not ideal if you're just testing the waters. In short, go with Softr if you need something simple and quick. Pick WeWeb if you're building more advanced tools and want control. I hope this comparison helped you out. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you next one.